In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your shipping or billing address on the eBay app. Whether you've moved to a new place or simply want to ensure your packages are going to the correct address, updating your information on the eBay app is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps to make sure everything is up to date for your next purchase or sale. Firstly, you need to open the eBay app on your smartphone. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. It's always a good idea to double check your password for any typos to ensure a smooth login. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu icon, typically found in the upper corner of your screen. Tapping on this will reveal a list of options. What you want to do here is to select the Settings option. Now, Settings is where you manage your account and preferences, so it's an important section to be familiar with. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Account Settings. Tap on that, and then look for an entry that says Addresses. This is the section where you can manage all the addresses linked to your eBay account. When you arrive in the Addresses section, you'll have a couple of different options. Here, you can edit either your shipping address, which is where your packages will be delivered, or your billing address, associated with your payment methods. Choose the address you need to update. Make sure to enter all details accurately, like your street address, city, and zip code, to avoid any delivery issues. If there are any recent changes in your location, or if you have a preferred address where you want items shipped, be sure to make those updates here. When you've finished updating the necessary information, find the Save option, usually represented by a check mark or the word Save. Tap on it to ensure that your new information is securely stored. It's crucial to save your changes before exiting, as simply navigating away from the screen might result in losing any unsaved updates. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shipping or billing address using the eBay app. Regularly keeping your addresses updated helps avoid any mix-ups or delays with your orders. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, browsing through eBay's help resources or contacting their support can provide additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides to enhance your online buying and selling experience.